Text.
Troubleshooting continuously dispensing water or ice from an LG refrigerator.
A stainless steel LG refrigerator with a water and ice dispenser.
It is normal for an LG refrigerator dispenser to drip a few extra drops of water after dispensing water or crushed ice. However, if water or ice are continuously dispensing, the dispenser lever or switch may be stuck in the pushed-in position.
A circle appears around the lever behind the spout.
This is generally caused by residue buildup on the dispenser. That is why you should never dispense ice into a glass full of liquid. A sugary drink, for example, if splashed on the dispenser, will leave a sticky residue that can cause the dispenser lever to stick. So always dispense ice before filling with liquid.
A user fills an empty pitcher with ice.
To stop the continuously dispensing water or ice, activate the lock by pressing and holding the lock button on the refrigerator control panel display, or open any door of the refrigerator.
The lock button is circled on the display. The refrigerator doors opened.
When the lock icon is illuminated or any door is open, the dispenser will not operate. Now let's try to release the dispenser lever or switch.
A user taps the lever several times.
Pull out the lever and gently push in and release the dispenser lever or switch a few times quickly. Or rub left to right, back and forth, across the dispenser switch a few times quickly.
A user rubs their hand back and forth across the dispenser.
Then clean the dispenser lever to remove anything that may cause it to stick.
A user in gloves holds a spray bottle and cloth.
Use warm water and a mild detergent. Do not use water to wipe over the control panel. If the dispenser is still stuck, then the refrigerator will require a repair service.
A woman dials her phone.
Turn off the water supply to the refrigerator, turn off the ice maker, and empty the ice bin.
A user turns the knob on the water supply hose. The ice maker in the freezer is circled and a man removes the ice bin.
Then visit lg.com/us/support and go to the Request a Repair page.
The web page.
Keep the display locked until the repair service is completed. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text. This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact lg.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2022 Leaders G Electronics, all rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Co. Ltd. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.